Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you some thoughts on how to put your web page together. So if you click on that link that I sent you, this goes to the overall website that Akancha and Vivian put together for first period. They did a really nice job in the layout. If you scroll around, they put in some extra stuff here that some of the links we had, project stuff, just to help you get started. They did a nice little overview, and then they put issue pages for everybody. So if you're in issue group number 1, click on that link. Okay. Let me try that again. Click on that link. My mouse is freezing. There it is. So it's environmental effects of agricultural land use. So if your 2 topics are, and your subtopic is here, you're going to work with that person and sketch out a little summary, put some images, and maybe you can type a quick summary about what this overall issue is about. But then let's focus on your own page. Let's say you did desertification. If you click on that link, okay, click on it again. Please go to the page. All right, there we go. They made a template. So down here, you see this little edit button. You can click on it and you can start editing the page. You can put your name right here and you can change the background if you want. They put 2 placeholders for pictures at the minimum. You can put your text in here, and they put a placeholder for social, political, environmental, economic, any additional information or scales. They broke it out into sections, but you can rearrange this. So you can mash it up and write it any way you want. So if you're explaining desertification as a paragraph, you can write it out and you can include elements of SPE in your explanation. You can talk about scale in your explanation. I want you to talk about those things. You can organize this any way you want. So after you come on, you're killing me. Click on that to add a picture. Oh man, this thing's slow. You can rearrange the format, change the layout a little bit if you want. Let's try it just to see what happens. I'm experimenting. Let's see. There you go. You can drag and drop. You can make these pictures bigger. You can change where the caption goes. You can change this background. Do whatever you want. Try to be creative. It's the first goal is to make a nice summary, right? Talk about desertification, what it means in terms of agriculture and how it affects our planet. Talk about it in terms of social, political, economic, environmental. I want you to talk about scales, what it means locally, nationally, or worldwide. And the content's important, but I also want you to build out a nice page here. So have some creative license, have some fun with it. All right. If you have any issues, just send me an email and I can probably put you in touch with somebody that can do more than me. And that's it, because my screen just froze and I have like a really awkward face on that frozen screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and stop this right now, I hope.